Hi, this is Sujit Modi, founder and CEO of Quantech Capital and OpenQ. We are a quant firm that uses principles of data science, mathematical constructs, quantitative finance, and computer algorithms to design investment and analytical solutions. In this video, we will talk about OpenQ Make in India Wealth Basket. So far, services sector had been the biggest contributor to India's GDP. Primary sector like agriculture, forestry and fishing, or secondary sector like manufacturing has contributed around half of that of the services sector. But for the next leg of growth, we believe manufacturing sector needs to pick up. With initiatives like Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, government is building the ecosystem for giving boost to the Indian manufacturing setup. Large domestic market, rising income levels, and geographical advantage are some of the factors that we believe will lead to higher share of manufacturing sector in the India's GDP in times to come. OpenQ Make in India portfolio is designed to identify stocks that are well placed to benefit from this long-term theme of promoting manufacturing together with already strong services sector. In terms of risk and return profile, the portfolio has generated annualized return of 20% plus over the cycle in the past. Though we expect the minimum holding period of 5 years, since the stocks will be lying in your Demat account, if at any point in time you feel that your goal has been achieved or there is some personal emergency, you can always redeem your investment. Partial withdrawal is also possible. You can invest with minimum amount of rupees 10,000 either as one-time lump sum investment or as an SIP. So stay invested, stick to the process, and all the very best for your journey towards long-term wealth creation.